Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making Mutter Paneer, which is a North Indian recipe, quite famous. We are going to make it really creamy and restaurant style. To know the recipe, keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. So guys, let's take a look at the ingredients. I have already kept them aside. You can see I've taken oil, water, cottage cheese, tomato, green peas, ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander leaves, cream, butter, finely chopped onion and roughly chopped onion. Let's see what spices I have. Red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili, cumin seeds, asafoetida, cumin powder, turmeric, garam masala powder, salt, kasuri methi, green chilies, cashew and pumpkin seeds. So I'm adding oil to the pan. When the oil is hot, I am adding the cottage cheese. We'll just fry it for 1 minute or maybe less than a minute. We just have to make it a little bit golden, that's it. Don't over fry it. I've taken it out in a bowl, you can see. Now again add some oil, put in the onions, the roughly diced onions. Add in the tomatoes. The green chilies and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it all a good mix and fry it around 2 minutes. I'm adding the cashew and the pumpkin seeds. Cashew and pumpkin seeds make the gravy a little bit creamier, that's why I'm adding it. I've taken it in a blender jar and we are going to blend it. You can see I have made it a thick paste. Now take another kadai and add some oil. Add in the butter and let it melt. Now add in the cumin seeds when the oil mixture is hot. Add the asafoetida or hing, the chopped onions, some salt for the onions. Wait for the onions to be translucent like this. Now I'm adding in the paste. A little bit of water. Mix everything up nicely. Now add the spices, turmeric, cumin powder, lal mirch powder and Kashmiri lal mirch powder, and some salt. Don't add in the garam masala and kasuri methi yet, we'll add it later. Mix all the spices in the gravy. And let it cook like this for 10 minutes. It's already changing colors, you can see. Now add in the mutter or green peas, some salt, mix everything nicely. I added some water and brought it to boil. Now I'm adding the kasuri methi. Now add in the paneer. Little bit of cream. I added just around 1 tablespoon. You can add more if you want more creaminess in your curry. And adding the garam masala powder on top of it. Now for garnish, just a little bit of coriander leaves. You can see my Mutter Paneer is ready. It's really delicious and creamy recipe. I hope you like the recipe. You can have it with roti. If you like the recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.